There's no train coming. That's what you see. Ooh, we're at
Attention customers. The next Orange Line train to arrive is the 10:41 a.m. southbound B3 Spur train to Oakland Market. Stopping at North Philadelphia, Girard, Fairmount, and Chinatown. For service to other stations, please use the local train.
He with Miss OJ. G, I said OJ. Train number 41.
This is the southbound B3 Spur train to 8th and Market.
Doors are closing. Doors are closing.
These are very much.
Next stop, North Philadelphia. Wheelchair accessible station. For Route 54, SEPTA North Broad Station, and regional rail lines.
Once we get down to the stops, we get off and then we can walk. I like walking. Nice exercise, but wasn't a good day.
This is North Philadelphia. Transfer is available to the 54 regional rail lines and Amtrak's Keystone service.
Where would they go?
This is the southbound B3 Spur train to 8th and Market.
Doors are closing.
Next stop, Girard Avenue. A wheelchair accessible station. 4. Broad Street Line Local, Broad Street Line Express, and Route 15.
respect your fellow SEPTA riders and SEPTA employees. Thank you.
This is Girard Avenue. Transfer is available to the local, the express, and the 15 line.
Sure. Now let's go off here. Let's go off here and transfer to the local. Let's go off here and transfer to the local service.
This is the southbound B3 Spur train to 8th and Market.
Doors are closing.
Where are we at right now? You recording yourself too?
Okay, like a vlog.
Next stop. Fairmount.
Next stop, Fairmount
On
Avenue
YouTube?
for Route 61.
You gotta talk to the chick like our check today. We going to gotta start doing that. Alright. Get comfortable with it. Yeah, how soon?
We took it before. Yeah, we took it
This is Fairmount Avenue. Transfer is available to the 61 line. This is the southbound B3 Spur train to 8th and Market.
It's our first time being down here.
Blocking the way.